no stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today you guys are going to go shopping with me at Ikea. I am at Ikea right now looking for a dining room set. So right now I actually locked eyes on this table. I like the wood and I also like the dark chairs. I just don't like the length of the table just because I don't think it will fit comfortably in my dining room, but I really like the look of this table. So I am going to go through room by room to find something that I really want to bring home. And I'm going to go ahead and let you guys just watch me shop around here. I hope you guys enjoy.
Don't mean no disrespect, but parts of you rule my world. I even dream of you, I swear. Visions of you and I. See you all around my way. Been meaning to say hi, but I'm just way too shy. I gotta make you see this is more than just a silly crush. And I wonder if you even notice me. You gotta feel me. Whatever you do, just wanna do
So this is the exact look I want for my dining room. It's just that table is too long. I don't think it will fit. So I had to pass on it. But I wanted to show you guys this all white dining room set. This is just absolutely gorgeous with the clear chairs and the white table. Like if I was going for like a modern or contemporary style, I would have definitely grabbed this from Ikea. I didn't find anything in a reasonable price range at Ikea, so I went online to homedepot.com and I was able to find a dining room set that was very similar to the one that I really liked at Ikea. So I ordered that one and had it shipped to my home. This is my old dining room set from my apartment. It's like a height dining room set, or like a taller dining room set where there's bar stools and then that table is a little taller. I just outgrew it, so I wanted something new. So now that my new dining room set is here, I am going to put it together. But first I need to remove my old dining room set. So I just basically put that in the garage, and then later down the line, I did go ahead and donate it because it was in really good condition and I didn't want to throw it away. And then next, all the way back there, I bought this black rug from Walmart. It's a 5x7 black shaggy rug, and it was only $40, which I was so shocked by that price. But I am going to use this as an area rug for my new dining room set. And then I'm just going to go ahead and put the dining room set together. And I hope you guys enjoy.
Don't know if you got a girl. Don't mean no disrespect, but parts of you rule my world. I even dream of you, I swear. Visions of you and I. See you all around my way. Been meaning to say hi, but I'm just way too shy. I gotta make you see this is more than just a silly crush. And I wonder if you even notice me. You gotta feel me. Whatever you do, just wanna do you see this is than just a silly crush. Wonder if you even notice me. You gotta feel me. When I'm good, just wanna be okay. Don't know if you got a girl. Don't mean to disrespect, but thoughts of you rule my world. I even dream of you, I swear. Visions of you and I see you all around my way. Been meaning to say hi, but I'm just way too shy. I gotta make you see this is more than just a silly crush. And I wonder if you even notice me. You gotta feel me.
OMG, you guys, it was so easy putting that table together as well as the chairs. And I really think that this is going to be a new hobby of mine. I really enjoy putting things together and also doing DIYs because it's just like such good me time. But anyway, I am now going to just take some decor and just kind to style up the dining room the way I want it. So just taking old decor that I have, which I'm using right now, this lamp. And then I have monkeys there, a statue of monkeys. See no evil, hear no evil, say no evil. I have my large tree back there. And that's all I have as of now. So I do have to go to the store and like still style it up and finish it. But you guys just stay tuned because the next video will be the reveal of the finished dining room. Thanks again, you guys, for watching. Bye.